Hi guys, today I'll show you how to make pork chops smothered with mushrooms and onions in one pan. I'm using thin pork chops with the bone in. It's best to use bone in and not boneless for this recipe. All-purpose flour to bread the chops, minced garlic, sliced yellow onion, sliced mushrooms. I'm using cremini, which are baby portobello mushrooms. You can use white button mushrooms or another type you like. I've got lots of thyme in the garden, so I'm using a few sprigs, and flat leaf parsley, chicken stock, and apple cider vinegar. To the chops, add salt, ground black pepper, and garlic powder on both sides and rub it in. To the flour, add salt, ground black pepper, and garlic powder. Mix that up. Dip each chop in the flour and coat well on both sides. Heat up a pan and add just enough oil to coat the bottom of the pan. When the oil is hot, add the chops in a single layer. Fry for a few minutes until golden brown. Turn over and brown the other side. Don't force the chops to come off the pan if they're not ready. They do need to get good color on them. I'm using a stainless steel pan. If you're using cast iron, it's even better. It'll be almost non-stick. Remove the chops from the pan and set aside on a plate. Take out the excess oil. You need just enough oil to saute the onions and mushrooms. Add the sliced onions and saute until soft. They'll pick up some of the flavorful brown bits or fond on the bottom of the pan. The minced garlic, stir that just for a minute. The sliced mushrooms, cook until they're soft. Some of them will get golden. They don't have to be all golden brown. We'll continue to cook them with the pork. They should still have some texture and not completely melt into the sauce. Pour in the chicken stock, thyme leaves, a little salt, and ground black pepper, apple cider vinegar. Make some space and fit the pork chops in and any juices on the plate. Put the mushrooms and onions on top and cover the pan. Cook for about 10-15 minutes until the pork chops are tender. Taste the sauce and add more salt if necessary. Also, a tiny bit more apple cider vinegar if the sauce needs it. A little tang makes the sauce taste even better. Finely chopped parsley finishes the dish. These chops are so tasty, especially with all the mushrooms and onions. I always serve these on top of mashed potatoes and a side of garlic green beans. The recipes are down below if you want to make a complete meal. If you want to get notifications of when I upload a new video, click on the bell icon and select all. And don't forget to turn on your notifications. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.